Today I'm gonna teach you how to fix this problem. This problem is really disgusting. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. I'm gonna teach you new technique too because some of the YouTubers on doesn't work. So I'm gonna teach you a new technique. First, you have to just click on the reload. After clicking on reload, most YouTubers say that you're gonna delete user SML hash and then rename user SML user backup SML hash. So, like for example, I've already shown you. You just go to internal storage, Android data, for Shadowfly 2. Then you go to click on user data. At first, it will be like user backup SML. So you clean the user backup SML. Let me teach you for example. Um, it will be like this. For example, so you have to clean this file. You have to clean this file. So it will be like this after cleaning it. So maybe it's like this. So you have to clean it from there, and there will be a point. So you clean it, then you leave it like this. Then you delete the user SML hash. Most versions it came, but mine did not work. So I'm just going to teach you a new technique. So let's dive into it. I just have a two phone, so I just on my hotspot on my other phone and on this one Wi-Fi. Don't connect data, please. You don't connect data first. Just watch me closely because if you make a mistake, this won't work. So for example, it will be like this. Like this. Gonna be like this. I'm checking my Wi-Fi. So you have to look this close very carefully. So if you just see support, you just on your data on the other phone. So you connect Wi-Fi. It is only Wi-Fi. Only Wi-Fi. So be careful. First, when you connect your Wi-Fi, but you're not on your data on the other phone. So after that, when the support is there, you just click it as fast as possible. Or I'll teach you another techniques too. If yours does not work, just drop your link at the comment section. I'll just find another way. This way, this techniques, I find it myself. I tried it so much, but it doesn't work, and I find mine. So let's get ready. Oof. Have to be ready and alert, very alert. Boom. Yeah, now it works. I wasn't how it work. After that, if you just see the support is gone, you can just play your game. You can just on your Wi-Fi. So here's it. Here's my game. And if you want a month set, I'm gonna teach you. Just put the link. Just comment on my video. Come tell me what about Shadowfly 2. Either want to use 8 or grab. And you can do it because I'm expert. I'm gonna teach you many things. So this how we know Shadowfly 2 game in most phones. So this is how we load Shadowfly 2 in most phones. So I'm gonna quit it because I'm not ready to play. So most versions you have to do it like this or it will never wreck. This is what I meant in my other video. So this is how we're gonna do it. And please, there's another technique too. Please go to settings. Just click on display. Yeah. So please do it 30 seconds. Because the reason why I'm saying that, if you see that your phone is going off, you just on your data on the other phone. This is also useful. And you just yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you. Please like and check my other video because I'm gonna drop it in the description. Then please check it.